Hello, my people. E get 6 similarities wey Eke dey share with big boys. Big boys, giddy boys. Number 1, Eke like to dey wear black and black. Big boys too like to dey wear black and black. Number 2, Eke like to dey hold that long thing like this. Big boys too dey hold am. Number 3, Eke like to dey stand for highway. Big boys too like to dey stand for highway. That's number 4. Number 5, Eke like to dey jump out from where dem dey if dem dey see motor wey dey race dey come, no matter the speed. The same thing with big boys. Number 5, Eke like to dey dish command like, "Hey you, stop there, park, quick, park." The same thing with the big boys. Number 6, now one common thing, they bring them for highway. One common thing like that. They share that one in common too. Money. Hello, my people. I beg make una help me share, follow, subscribe, and also leave una comment for comment section. Once I see them, I go respond. All right. See you some other time. Bye-bye.